This is a Samsung RF263 series refrigerator, which is known for the problems with ice buildup in the cooling system, which I've already posted a video about. The other problem that I have is that the bottom drawer, which is this drawer here, that the plastic broke and it sagged so that the drawer wouldn't close here. The solution I got to this was that there is a metal thing that supports underneath, and it cracked to the right of the rightmost screw. Right there's a crack, and that's why it caused it to sag so that the drawer wouldn't close. The problem is this darn thing has a gap here. It doesn't provide support, so it's kind of the weight of the thing is just kind of hanging on this, meaning it's almost like they designed it to break. I probably should put something in here as kind of a spacer to help provide this, but even this isn't that sturdy. So my solution was to drill a hole through this little metal support rod here, and I added one more screw to the end and added a bolt at the top. And by doing that, let me show the drawer here. See if I can do this with one hand. So now the drawer going in, now it closes, see? This was down below and it didn't close before. So anyway, another way to help extend the life of your refrigerator. Otherwise it's a good refrigerator except for some junky compartment parts inside, but we can work around that.